welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a reveal of my Cartier tank Francaise that I sent to Cartier for service. I also have my Trinity ring that have it engraved with my three boys' name in each of the ring, and let's see what it looks like, guys. So when it came in, they put it in a small black pouch, and they also polish it, and this is what it looks like, guys. It's very pretty. It looks like new. I used this ring for a year straight, and it looks dull and also not as shiny as this. So I'm so happy that when it came back after the engraving, it looks like this, which is so pretty and shiny and looks just like the way when I bought it a year ago. So the engraving is very small, and I cannot really zoom it in, guys, but it is inside here. So my three sons' name are engraved in here at the side, and I chose the cursive one because there's also the printed one. I should have chosen the printed one because the cursive is very small, barely you can see it. So I suggest that if you have your beloved ones engraved in the rings or at the watches, maybe the printed one will look better. So this is it, guys. I bought this because I have three boys, as I've stated in my other videos, and each of these rings signifies my love for each one of them. So I put it here. Usually I'm gonna remove this other ring and put it in my middle ring. So here it will look like this, guys, if I'm gonna wear it, and I really love the way it looked. And when you remove it, you'll just have to roll it up like so and roll it down if you're gonna wear it. So I chose 54. I'm size 7, and I can also put this in my middle finger. It can also fit my middle finger here, but I prefer to use it index finger as it looks better in my opinion. So it has white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. So it really looks pretty and shiny, and it's for free, guys. I did not pay a single penny on this engraving, and it is nice that they polished it as well. So the service of Cartier is very good, and we really get our money's worth, because if we want our ring to be engraved, I don't know if we can have it polished for free, but for the engraving, it is nice that they also polish it. And I also have this, which I got recently, the bangle cuff bracelet that I really love. The next one that we're gonna reveal is my tank Francaise watch, which I have like close to 10 years, I think. And I have not serviced this in Cartier ever. In the previous years, I have my jeweler change the battery. Last November, I decided to have it serviced, as the way I see it, it's like a car that needs to be serviced and maintained. So it's like this. The back parts has to be clean and serviced. So this is it, guys. I was so happy when I saw it. Look at this. It looks like new. It's sparkling. And this has a lot of scratches already from all over the sides, as I use this almost every day, and from use the stainless steel looks dull and it has scratches, but they remove the scratches and polish it. I don't know how did they do it. So it looks like new, and I'm so happy that I decided to have it serviced. And I think the cost of this is $300 plus US dollars. And this is what it looks like. It looks shiny and new. I am just so happy, guys. When it arrived, it came in a pouch with a ribbon. It's in a Cartier package box that came in with this. As soon as it's ready for picked up, my sales associate mailed it to my home since I was so busy at work that I didn't have time to go to the store. So he said, I'll mail it complimentary for free. So he mailed this and the ring together. And it really looks brand spanking new. And I'm gonna let you know, guys. Let me read what did they do with this watch. They refurbished the movement. They replaced the battery. They also replaced worn and damaged components, and water resistance renewal for water resistant watches. So I guess they try to tighten it so it will still water resistance. And they check the movement, and also it has shining service. The refinishing service removes the superficial scratches on your watch and restores its brilliance. And the service includes the following main intervention: refinishing of the different elements of the watch and replacement of dial. So that's what they did, guys. It's a lot of steps that they did on this watch, and it looks brand spanking new. And I use this almost every day, and I cannot find the scratches anymore. It's just so amazing how Cartier did that when you have your watch serviced. So this is it, guys. It's very, very pretty. I'm so happy that I decided to have it serviced last November. And I am so pleased with Cartier that they really stands by their name and history. If you want your watch service and it has a lot of scratches and it looks dull, just go for it, guys, because your watch will look brand spanking new like this one. So I got the small size. So currently I'm using my Michelle watch with diamonds around it, and we're gonna remove this and replace it with this Cartier watch that I so missed. It's like 2 months since the time that I brought it at Cartier. Oh my god, guys, it's just so shiny, looks like brand new. I'm so happy with this, so happy. This is what it looks like, and I like it together with this Chanel bracelet that I got, and I think they look better together. And I put my Cartier Love bracelet on my other hand like so, and I also have this Trinity ring, and I have this Love ring here, which is the white gold. So yeah, I'm so happy with these Cartier pieces that I've collected. And let me know what you think of this, guy. I am so happy with the service experience from Cartier. I guess I'll see you again on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.